Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nishaba, a certified medical coder. In this video, we will discuss the arthroscopic procedure of the musculoskeletal system with a focus on the knee arthroscopy. We will also cover guidelines and practice questions related to the procedure. So without further delay, let's get started. Arthroscopy is a surgical procedure that allows the direct visualization of the interior joint space. Here are some important coding guidelines you must know while coding for arthroscopy. Surgical arthroscopy always include a diagnostic arthroscopy. If a diagnostic arthroscopy lead to a surgical arthroscopy at the same patient encounter, only the surgical arthroscopy may be reported. If an arthroscopic procedure is converted to an open procedure, only the open procedure may be reported. Neither a surgical arthroscopy nor a diagnostic arthroscopy code shall be reported with an open procedure code. With the exception of the knee and shoulder, arthroscopic debridement shall not be reported separately with the surgical arthroscopy procedure when performed on the same joint at the same patient encounter. When arthroscopy is performed in conjunction with arthrotomy, at modifier 51. Three compartments comprise the knee: medial, lateral, and patellofemoral. The meniscus is a C-shaped piece of cartilage between the tibia and femur which absorbs shock and provide a cushion between the bones and keep the knee stable. There are two menisci, medial and lateral, in each knee joint. During a meniscectomy, the surgeon removes a piece of the torn meniscus or the entire meniscus. CPT code 29880 report a meniscectomy in both the medial and the lateral compartment, while the CPT code 29881 indicate a meniscectomy in either the medial or lateral compartment. Both codes include debridement or shaving of the articular cartilage or chondroplasty in the same compartment or separate compartment of the same knee. CPT code 29882 and 29883 reports arthroscopy knee surgical with meniscus repair. CPT code 29882 report a meniscus repair in either the medial or lateral compartment, while the CPT code 29883 reports a meniscus repair in both the medial and lateral compartments. Chondroplasty may be reported separately when performed in a separate compartment of the same knee as the meniscus repair. A 30-year-old college student suffering from knee pain resulting from an old motor vehicle accident arrives to the operating room for diagnostic arthroscopy and synovial biopsy to determine the source of the knee pain. The patient is prepped and draped in the sterile fashion. After induction of anesthesia, small incisions are made in the knee area. The arthroscope is inserted through the lower incision. Saline solution aids in expanding the opening for better visualization. Through the upper incision, the physician takes a biopsy of synovial tissue. Upon further exploration of ligaments and structures of the knee, a torn meniscus was viewed in the lateral compartment. The physician sutured the meniscus tear, repairing it. Satisfied she has discovered and treated the source of the patient pain, she irrigates the area, checks for bleeding, and closes the incisions. Which procedure code best describes this encounter? Option A with the code 29882 and 29870. Option B with the code 27,446, 29,870. Option C with the code 29,882. Option D with the code 29,883. In the given scenario, after performing diagnostic arthroscopy and synovial biopsy, the meniscus tear in the lateral compartment was sutured and repaired. This means that the meniscus repair was done. First, we will eliminate option A and B with code 29,870 used for the orthoscopic diagnosis, as the orthoscopic diagnosis was converted into arthroscopic procedure. As the meniscus was done only in the lateral compartment, we will also eliminate option D with code 29,883, which is used for the knee surgical arthroscopy with meniscus repair done in both medial and lateral compartment. So our correct option is option C with code 29,882 used for surgical arthroscopy of the knee with meniscus repair done in medial or lateral compartment. A 50-year-old male has frozen left shoulder. An arthroscope was inserted in the posterior portal in the glenohumeral joint. The articular cartilage was normal except for some minimal grade 3 to 4 changes, about 5% of the humerus just adjacent to the rotator cuff insertion to the supraspinatus. The bicep was inflamed, not torn at all. The superior labrum was not torn at all. The labrum was completely intact. The rotator cuff was completely intact, and anterior porter was established high in the rotator interval. The rotator interval was very thick and contracted. Adhesions were destroyed with electrocautery and the bovie. The superior glenohumeral ligament, the middle glenohumeral ligament, and the tendinous portion of the suprascapulus were released. The arthroscope was placed anteriorly, adhesions were destroyed, and the shaver was used to debride some of the posterior capsule, and the posterior capsule was released in the posterior superior and then the posterior inferior aspect. What CPT code is are reported? Option A with the code 23,450 along with modifier LT. Option B with the code 23,466 along with modifier LT. Option C with the code 29,805 along with modifier LT. 29,806 along with modifier 51 LT. Option D with the code 29,825 LT. In the given scenario, procedure performed with an orthoscope to destroy the adhesions. We first eliminate option A and B with code 23,450 and 23,466 used for open shoulder procedure. We will also eliminate option C with code 29,806 represent suturing of the capsule. As the procedure performed was the lysis of the adhesions for a frozen shoulder, so correct option is option D with code 29,825. The patient presented for medial meniscal bucket handle tear left knee, arthroscopy with partial medial meniscectomy left knee, and the orthoscopic pickling of the lateral femoral condyle left knee was performed. Code the procedure and diagnosis codes. Option A with the code 29,880 along with modifier LT, 29,879 along with modifier 51 LT S83.212A. Option B with the code 29,881 along with modifier LT, 29,879 along with modifier 51 LT S83.212A. Option C with the code 29,882 LT, 29,885 along with modifier 51 LT S83.282A. Option D with the code 29,881 RT, 29,885 along with modifier 51 LT S83.242A. In the given scenario, the medial meniscectomy was done along with arthroscopic pickling of the lateral femoral condyle left knee. As only medial meniscectomy was done, we will first eliminate option A with code 29880 used in case of both medial and lateral meniscectomy. We will also eliminate option C with code 29882 used for medial and lateral meniscus repair. In both option B and D, code 29881 used for surgical arthroscopy of the knee with meniscectomy medial or lateral. We will eliminate option based on drilling procedure. We will eliminate option D with code 29885 used for drilling with bone grafting, as no bone grafting is done along with drilling. So our correct option is option B with code 29881 LT, 29879 along with modified 51 LT and S83.212A. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or need further clarification, please feel free to write in the comment section. For more detailed guidelines, CPC mock exam related questions and notes, email me at the giving email ID.